Okay, I just wanted to give a quick demo of Storify since we couldn't do it in class. That way you guys can start working on your reaction stories. So once I've logged into Storify, I hit Create Story. And then I provide my headline. Media respond to NBC's Bodie Miller interview. And then a little summary. News media and reporters took to social media to complain or praise Kristen Cooper, who brought the Olympian to tears. And in this field, this is where I build my story using social media. So here's my little setup. NBC and its reporter Kristen Cooper became the subject of news media's gaze after Cooper pressed the Olympian Bodie Miller about the death of his brother Sunday. And then I'd work on my transition to talk about some in the news media who said Cooper went too far and that they should have been more graceful in stopping. First, let's put an image in here. So to put social media information into Storify, I go to the specific streams up here that I want to use, and let's just go to Flickr and type in Bodie Miller in search. And I get a picture that I want, and so since he's, basically the story's about him crying, I just click and drag, and let's put it right up here at the top. Next I want to find some comments from Twitter, and so I can type in a search here of NBC if I do a search, basically I'll get some tweets about the situation that I can then move in over here. I actually want to check a specific tweeter since I know this person has commented about it. So this news journalist says, how not to interview someone. Basically, they're complaining about the interview, so I'm just going to click this tweet and put it right underneath here. And so that adds the tweet. I can add more from journalists that I know. New York Times. Yep. Alright, so for this, if I'm not getting anything, I can type directly going to the user's feed here and put it in, and I can search specifically for this person's tweets about it. And I just scroll down until I find the one that I'm looking for. And I move it on down underneath. And basically you keep doing that, if you want to add your next sentence of transition after needed, after the negative tweets, and I go click on it, and then I say other reporters are a little more forgiving, reminding everyone that asking tough questions is being part of a journalist. And so as you can see, it's quite easy to just click and drag tweets underneath it and arrange the story that way. The key here really is to work on your transitions and find really good tweets and things. And let's just end this with perhaps a YouTube video. Alright, so we'll just click and drag and move this at the very end. So I just wanted to give you a quick demonstration. You can go in there and play with it. Once you're finished with your story, obviously you can save it or publish it. If it's ready, go ahead and publish. If you want to work on it some more, go ahead and save it, and you can open it back up and work work on it later. So that was a demonstration of Storify. Just go in there, like I said, play around with it. It's quite easy to build a story using this software.